like it. I know that many of you like Kappa's presentation with the Powtoon. So today we are going to see how we can work with this one. So I'm going to choose one of the models of the templates that we can find in Powtoon. And you are going to see that it's very easy and very intuitive to work with because it's the same as the PowerPoint. So on the left side, you are going to see that Powtoon gives you lots of slides. So you don't have to add any new slides. You have them all here. The only thing that you have to do is to go to each slide and write whatever you want on top of it. So imagine I write project. If I want to change the colors, I only go here where it says the color. So I can change the color. And I can change also the size of the letters only by doing click here, make it bigger or smaller. Yeah. But if I want to add some effects to this letter, I go to effects and I'm going to choose the one that is like a handwriting. Yeah. So you only have to do that. Then you can go to the next slide. You can write whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to write here ways to protect our planet. Sorry, planet. Okay, from here, imagine that you have almost, I don't know how many slides we can find in this template, but I want to eliminate, to delete some of them. You only have to do a click here in these 3 points, and you say delete. So simple. Once you have your presentation done with the Powtoon, what you can do is to export and preview. So you can see how it looks like my Powtoon presentation. It's a very easy way to work and present a very nice job in your work. So kids, I hope that you have a good time and hope that you enjoy it. Bye.